Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fine and safe. Today we will continue our previous topic, that is computer memory and storage devices. Now, next category is secondary memory. It is used to store information for a longer period of time. It is needed because internal memory has very limited storage capacity. Data is not lost on secondary memory even when computer is switched off. Some examples are hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD, pen drive and Blu-ray disc. First secondary storage device is hard disk. It is the main storage device for computers. It is fixed inside the CPU box. It can store large amount of data up to 8 TB. It is made up of magnetic disk that stores data magnetically. It rotates when we store data or retrieve data. Next is CD or compact disc. It is an optical storage device. It is 13 cm in diameter and store up to 750 MB of data. It is basically used to store media files, backups and softwares. It will show data when we put CD into the CD-ROM drive. Next is DVD or digital versatile disc. It is very similar to a CD, but it can store data from 4.7 GB to 8 GB and used to record high quality video and sound. Next is pen drive. It is also known as flash drive. It is a small pen-like storage device that can be attached outside the computer at a place called USB port. It can be stored up to 128 GB of data and it is used for copying and moving data from one computer to another. Next is Blu-ray disc. It is similar to DVD, but it can hold up to 128 GB of data. It uses blue lasers to hold large amount of data. It is used to store high quality videos, sounds and games. Last is SSD or solid state drive. It works like a hard disk, but it doesn't have any movable parts. It means SSD doesn't rotate like hard disk, but can store large amount of data. So children, this is all in this topic. We will cover the next chapter in our next video.